If this is from Bangladesh, somebody, not from Bangladesh, I think local somebody sent it. He says that there is a common belief among the people that when somebody dies, his soul remains in this world for 40 days. Is it true?
This is wrong to say that it remains here 40 days. But it is in a hadith that the souls of those who are already broken away from this life, who already trend towards Allah, among them are prophets. Their souls leave their contact with the graves within 3 days. And those who have some worldly contacts, it is difficult for their soul to leave their contact altogether. So they tarry here with the buried person for 40 days. And this is true. This is the saying of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.